Dear friends, in this video I am going to tell how to avoid getting corona infection while visiting hospital, a guideline for the patients. By now we all are aware that corona infection spreads from a person to person and also from an object to a person. It can spread after touching a doorknob, digital device, pen, car key, etc. So, if you touch something contaminated and then touch your face or anybody else's face, then you will catch that infection. Healthcare facility is practically a red zone because only sick people, attendants, and their care providers are there in the hospital. We also know that most of the COVID patients are asymptomatic and carriers. The hospital also contains patients with COVID 19 symptoms and as well as their contacts. Also, if you are entering a hospital, that means you are sick, which make you more vulnerable to severe infection. So, today I am going to tell you how to avoid getting an infection in a stepwise manner. The first step is avoid going to the hospital itself as far as possible for your routine checkups, follow-ups and minor illness. If you have a problem, consult a doctor on phone with a video call etc. who are among your friend or family circle. So, if the hospital visit is a must, then your preparation starts from home itself. Regarding your clothes, the clothes should be fully washable, should cover you maximum, preferably a full sleeve t-shirt or kurta and pajama or a trouser will do. There should be minimum buttons and zips. There should not be any belt, no wristwatch or a metal ring. The footwear should be washable and it should cover your feet fully. The car or vehicle key should be without a key ring. After your clothing, the next armamentarium is your immunity, which is the most important thing for your health. You should eat well, a balanced diet before you leave for the hospital. If for the test you have to go empty stomach, then carry your food and adequate water from home itself. Eat as soon as your doctor finishes with the test supposed to be carried out empty stomach. Avoid taking food and water from hospital premises because they might have contamination. The next armamentarium is a good quality hand sanitizer, preferably an alcohol based sanitizer. You must carry a hand sanitizer when you visit a hospital. Then put on a mask. One N95 mask is supposed to be the best, but if it not available, then a cloth mask will also do. Your eyes should be covered properly. If you are a specky, then it is a very good thing. If you don't wear specs, then you should preferably wear a transparent goggle. For your hands, you should wear gloves which may be washable or single use. You should also cover your head with a washable headgear. While wearing glove, headgear, goggles and mask, you will avoid touching your face, which we frequently do without being noticed. If your family member or an attendant is accompanying you, he should also follow the same instructions as for you. In the third step, when you reach the hospital premises, the 4 simple principles should be followed at all the subunits of the hospital. The most important of which is social distancing. Do not touch anything which is not required. If compelled to touch, then immediately use hand sanitizer and do not touch your face. Make a conscious effort of doing this. Park your vehicle in sunlight. On entry, if you have to touch the doorknob or lift button, then use hand sanitizer. At reception, maintain and insist social distancing. In the waiting area, also maintain social distancing and sit in a place where AC or fan is behind you. After doctor consultation chamber, of course, the social distancing may not be possible. However, you should have a minimum possible contact time with the doctor, which is prescribed is less than 10 minutes. Ask for follow-ups on phone, WhatsApp or a video call and offer payment for the services. Again, you should make a conscious effort of not touching your face anytime. After consultation, if you have to visit the labs or dispensary, again maintain social distancing, avoid unnecessary touching of the surfaces, use hand sanitizer if compelled to touch, ask for reports digitally on WhatsApp or email, and do not touch your face. While checking out from the hospital, remove your gloves and dispose at a designated place. Wash your hands thoroughly or use hand sanitizer adequately before sitting in the vehicle. Do not touch your face. The fourth step is when you are back home. Park your vehicle under direct sunlight. Keep things which are not immediately required in the car itself, like your consultation documents, etc. Remove your footwear outside home. Call via phone the person inside home to open door for you. Keep things like phone, car key, pen, etc. on a smaller surface which can be cleaned easily. Now go to the bathroom straight away. Take a scrub hand wash and bath thoroughly with soap and water. Until then, don't touch your face. Wash all your clothes thoroughly with soap and water. Then clean your mobile, car key and the surface on which you kept them with sanitizer and keep in sunlight for about 30 minutes. Wash your hands again. Dear friends, you can always visit the hospital if necessary, but please follow the safety instructions in order to avoid getting infected. Stay safe.